Hello, hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, night. We're back, and the market has faked us out from what happened overnight. There was a lot of developments over the weekend, a lot of overnight pushing, a lot of over the weekend pushing. Everybody's been waiting for the market to open today. But we've all been duped, at least a majority of us, I would suspect, have been duped. There's definitely some things going up today. There's a lot of things going up today. We had a push on ASST by the whale Mike Alfred on X. And it supposedly, from what I understand, the company is going to be like vertically integrated into Bitcoin via being a Bitcoin treasury. They're partnering with another company. Anyway, I don't know if it was insider information, but Mike Alfred on X, big investor, has been pushing it, getting people involved with it. Bought a little bit. We'll see what happens. I already made 80 on this today, and we rebought it. So we'll see what happens with that. I mean, people suspect $3 to $5 this week, but then again, as the hype dies off, we'll see what happens with that. Ultimately, though, before market open, we were up like 600, then 400, then it just, by market open 9:30, it just ripped around, and all of the mineral stocks, it looks like, have taken a hit. Some of the very high spec stocks have climbed back down a little bit, but it looks like mostly the minerals. All of these, not NNE, but you've got, Abbott, Spec, TMQ, UUU, AREC, UAMY, MP, all mineral related. Those have gone down, but it is great opportunity to buy these. So even though they're taking a hit, it's obviously because of the trade deal that it's not American companies that are filling some of the supply chain gaps, but that's like a misnomer. So to think that the American companies are left out of the trade deal in that way is kind of silly. Sure, they're not explicit in the trade deal, but it's a given that American mineral companies, resource processing, refining, all of these things are going to go up as the need and the demand for them increases, and these companies expand and increase their output, intake, all that good stuff. So these are warranted to come right back up. I didn't do anything except get into more of these today. That's very silly. So some of these things pulling back, it actually just means great opportunities to jump back in. I sold my gold today to get back into these because the exponential gains are going to outweigh gold by far. So that's alright. It's alright with me. Plus, making sure we drop our cost average down. It's pretty important. It's actually what's helping us get back up. Oh no, the mark of the devil. You gotta stay away from that one. So yeah, then kind of had a bot that we ran into. Really seems like it. At least somebody who's doctoring screenshots and photos, claiming that the screenshots themselves were inaccurate or that they were imperfect. But it's kind of an oxymoron when you'd have to change the screenshot for it to be imperfect. Things are not just gonna change that aren't there. So that was something that happened recently. Then they removed our verified, but somehow it was back today. But either way, I don't even know what's going on with that. It's just there's a lot of these weird accounts on X, man. X is so strange with all the stuff that goes on there. All the different accounts, you can't even tell. There's big names on X. Bless you. Salud. There's big names on X that they like follow you with another account that's everything is exactly the same as the main account, but it's not a bot because they're not doing anything but well, I shouldn't say it's not a bot. It's not somebody pretending to be them because they only retweet their stuff, and then the only thing they do is follow people on that account. They don't even really have any followers. So it's like these bigger people have these other accounts that they I don't know, I'm unfamiliar with that stuff, you know? Unfamiliar. X is kind of unfamiliar to me. Even though it says I joined in 2022, I used to be on Twitter, but then I deleted my account. I don't know when that was. Anyway, we're kind of rambling here. Things are coming back, slowly but surely. And I'm excited for what's going to happen this week. ASST, we'll see how that develops. I mean, Bitcoin's going up. We got rid of our Bitcoin as well. Just because of the day trades. We don't want to fall below. So, unfortunately, I had to get rid of my Bitcoin for now. Which is, you know, I really am indifferent to it right now. I do need to have some Bitcoin, but it doesn't really make sense when it's going to hit into my day trading capabilities, and I'm going to have to keep watching the account balance because of the fact that the Bitcoin's not counted as equity. So it is what it is. I'm going to try to avoid it, but I can make the profit when I can. Except the fees. Keep forgetting about that. Got to be up quite a bit because those fees, man, it's like always about 20% of the damn profit. At least so far with these smaller trades. So anyway, keeping that in mind, we're looking to see what else we could do today. If we're going to flip anything, it looks like another whole day for the most part. Market is misbehaving right now. People, maybe I'm misdirected. I don't know what's going on right now. It doesn't make any sense. This is like the best news the country's had in like a decade, probably two. And yeah, the overnight people got it, but not the morning. Not the morning people. I don't know if it's the institutions, what's going on, but it will return. It will return. Be patient. And until then, may your troubles be less and your blessings be more. Nothing but happiness come through your door, my friends. Take care.